What's up, guys? I'm back for another repair video. So I have a Browning drop tine 23 gun safe with the E-lock from securam. So what happened was my safe would stay unlocked. This was unlocked the whole time, so anybody could just go open it up. I contacted Browning through email, and I spoke with them for like 3 months trying to figure this thing out. They were really helpful, but kind of had me jump through a bunch of hoops and loops for no reason. So in order to get the master reset code, they wanted to make sure I was the owner of the safe. So I had to get proof of purchase. I had to have a law enforcement officer or a locksmith come to my house and determine that the safe is mine and I'm the original owner and it's at my residence. So I ended up going the law enforcement route. I had a police officer come over, make a police report stating that I'm the owner. And long story short, they gave me the master reset code, which did not work. So after all that, they ended up telling me I needed to buy a new locking mechanism and a new keypad, and that would be $290. So I called Browning to order the parts, which the guy's like, I'm not gonna make you pay for it, which was nice. So they sent me the new keypad and new lock for free. This is the old one. The new one is made by S&G or SG. Really nice unit. But I had to figure out what happened with this. So I took the keypad apart. Everything looked good inside. No electrical burnt smell, or nothing was burnt up in there. So then I took the lock apart. Under this sticker, there's a screw. One screw opens it up. But I also noticed under this sticker, QC sticker that was there, was a reset button. So I tried that a few times, nothing worked. Everything looked good inside here. So then I typed in securam lock on YouTube and found a video of a guy that shows how to use that reset. So you want to make sure your battery's in, and you unplug the connector, and then you hold the reset down and then plug this back in, and the keypad should beep. There it goes. So once you take it off, boom. Now you can enter your code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's unlocked. Look at that. All that crap for nothing. Let's see if it locks. There, it locked again. All that crap for nothing. That's all I had to do was do the reset. And I would have been good to go. But what are you gonna do? So hopefully this video helps you out if you guys have the same problem. I'm sure Browning uses a lot of the same stuff on all their different series of safes. I know they use this in a lot of the E-lock safes. I don't know about this exact keypad. This is securam's basic model. But yeah, I guess I got a spare now in case it happens to the S&G one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone.